You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 89, creating report for incident management. It's creating report for time for first response of incident. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, you need to log in using your primary account. I am logged in using my primary account and this is home.atlassian. Click on 4 blocks next to Home, top left corner, and then click on Jira Service Management. We'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management. Scroll down and in left panel and click on Reports. Click on Create New Report and we will name it as First Response Met Incident. First Response percentage Met Incident. Click on Add Series. We are going to look in filter for first time to response percentage met. And then we are going to give a label. We'll select one of the color and then we'll make sure it is basic under filter by with specific work item. Click on add. Here we have the end result. Okay. Now we are going to click on create. It is created. Click on report in left panel. If you don't see it over here, refresh it and you have a report over here. First response met percentage met incident. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.